Good morning, it's the 23rd of June 2010 and this is your daily outlook. Stock sell-offs prompt a dollar rally. Trading sentiment turned negative as stocks in the US finished very weak and US existing home sales dropped to 5.66 million versus the 6.12 million forecast. The euro led the risk currencies lower as concerns linger about European debt remain and European banks were downgraded. Looking at the euro, we had some solid German IFO numbers which were overlooked and the market traded in a very cautious tone, testing support at 122.50. The German IFO for June rose to 101.8 versus 101.5 previously. Euro sterling fell below 0.83 after the UK budget inspired fresh pound strength. Euro Swiss finally found support at 135.80, but the trend is still overwhelmingly negative. Euro dollar traded with a low of 122.51 and a high of 123.56 before closing at 122.75. The Japanese yen strengthened across the board with risk aversion pushing the crosses and the major lower. Dollar yen found support at 90.30 but is still eyeing a test of 90. Euro yen fell back below 111 and is close to the key 110 level. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 90.31 and a high of 91.13 before closing the day around 90.50 in the New York session. The sterling tested day's lows as the UK budget was released and the market was very impressed with austerity measures and had rating agency Fitch praising the intent. Cable soared over 148.50 before the easing as risk aversion set in during the US session. Overall, the sterling dollar traded with a low of 146.85 and a high of 148.62 before closing the day at 148.10 in the New York session. Currencies to watch out for: euro dollar and sterling dollar. The euro dollar pivot point is at 123.15 with a preference to enter in short positions at 123.05. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 148.90 with a preference to enter in short positions at 148.80. Today's calendar and market movers: we have the German consumer confidence today, Eurozone PMI manufacturing is due, US new home sales will be coming in, and we also have the US Fed rate decision. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed negative yesterday with the Dow closing down 1.43% and the SP 500 down minus 1.61%. European bourses were also negative yesterday with the FTSE closing down by 0.98%, the DAX down at minus 0.38% and the CAC closing down at 0.83%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was at minus 1.69% and the Hang Seng at minus 0.41%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Jo for the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.